How to fix Facebook Ads Manager showing zero result on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings and you will go to applications or apps. Then you will find all your apps or application on your phone. You will search now for your Facebook. As you see, I'm searching for my Facebook. When you found it, just open it and scroll down and go to storage, and then go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data. Then you will click OK, and now your problem will fix. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.